Drug trafficking has assumed monstrous proportions. The seizure of 3,000 kgs of heroin at Adani Port, Gujarat, following reports of another large consignment that has successfully imported into India, give an indication of the huge dimensions of the illegal trade that seems to have flourished under the watch of the Modi government. The continued side of the economy is a matter of great concern. After the sharp decline in 2021, the Modi government boasted of a V-shaped recovery. All signs point to an uneven and struggling recovery in different sectors. The jobs that were lost during the recession and the pandemic had not been recovered. The micro and small units that were shut down have not been restarted. Millions of families face the twin hardship of unemployment and high prices. The agitation by the farmers against the 3 black laws on agriculture continue after 10 months. A government imbued the arrogance has refused to engage the farmers in talks and has stood as a mere bystander while the police and rogue elements in the BJP had unleashed violence upon them. The tragic incident at Lakhimpur Kheri is a clear example of official support to the attempt to suppress the voice of the farmers. The refusal of the Prime Minister to condemn the brutal murder of the farmers and to sack the Minister of State for Home Affairs have shocked the conscience of the country. The Congress party has noted with the grave concern the notification issued by the central government empowering the officers of Central Security Forces to search any place and arrest, as also search any person in the purported exercise of powers to prevent cognizable offence under any central act. This is a dangerous encroachment on the exclusive power of the states and the power of the state police. The Congress party will consult all stakeholders and other political parties as well as state governments and formulate a course of action to compel the Modi government to repeal these notifications.